Oh yeah, what do you get for us this morning? I'm gonna run her like that.
This week, I want to talk waiting you need to know whenever you go see your doctor.
Oh.
Yeah, any waiting you need to know whenever you go hospital, go see your doctor. Yes, because many people don't really know. Now it's okay. Make I rush talk about them. I think I never talk about them at all on radio before.
Okay.
So, get things where you must know anytime you go see your doctor. Now I won't break down today.
Oh, top things, especially for those of now when we say they get to go visit doctor for checkup, they go for medical treatment and all that,
Yes.
whether you be daddy or mommy, whether you be
Yes.
single guy or not. This is not the time for you to put your ear down, because I promise you, this is not the only show when we say whether na in physiology anyway, we get certified medical people when we say they break matter down. So doctor, what
Yes.
as a person when we say at the go hospital now, what do I need to be aware of when at the go hospital to go
Okay.
check?
So make I start like this. Everybody at one point in time go be patient, whether you be doctor or you be nurse. So everybody go be patient at one point in time. So everything why they talk, it not just be because say you know be doctor. It concern me, concern everybody. And I notice say people they ask me too much question online where you supposed to they ask your doctor, but they know they ask their doctor. So now I won't break them for you today. Now whenever you go see your doctor, please I beg you, your doctor no be there for you to fight, na there to help you. Ask am. The first thing, anything wey no clear to you, if e no clear, no just sit down dey nod head because na doctor. No. Abeg, oga doke, wetin you dey treat me for? Wetin be my diagnosis? If e no clear to you, please ask. Oh, we are still looking for the diagnosis. I'm not sure, but it might be this, it might be this, it might be this. Then we want you to carry out this test. Fine. No sit down, because when people go to come out and wetin dey treat you for, I no know. Okay. Then the next thing we go come ask again is if they give you drugs. All these medicines wey dey here, wetin they do? Ask. I'll tell you why.
Why?
Because last week when you asked me, I was thinking, man, I change them or man, I no change them. And I saw some cases last week. Now, yesterday again, I still saw a reason why I need to talk about this thing. Somebody go hospital, then give am medicine. The person gets one medical condition. They can't tell am say make he go buy medicine somewhere. He can't talk say, this medicine wey dem say make I buy, na him go cure this thing. And I said, didn't you ask them exactly wetin this medicine dey do? He say no. So this person already get expectation. Say if you buy this particular medicine, that thing wey dey do
Don't cure once,
don't cure
24/7.
because he no ask. I say why? He say I say no, I beg ask. Then the next thing wey you need to ask again be say, wetin be the possible side effects? If I take this thing with alcohol, because I dey take alcohol, how e be? And if I take this thing anytime I like, how e be? You need to ask. If I take this thing more than wetin you say make I take, how e be for my body? You need to ask, because this your life now one, and any mistake wey happen for your own health, even with your own hand, the life fit back up.
My lord.
Now let me tell you another story. There's a guy, whenever you go buy medicine, they go write 11
Yes.
11
Yes.
11.
Two
You understand?
tablet 3 times a
two
day.
dash like that.
Yes.
11, not even two.
Yeah.
11.
Okay, one tablet three
11.
times a day.
So this guy, they give him for sachet, like for that hospital pack.
Yeah, that one.
That nylon.
Yeah, that's cellophane.
Guess what happened? When
What
the guy
happened?
go house, the guy drink the first one 11. 11 tablet once.
It's a lie.
I dey tell you life matter.
It's a lie.
I dey tell you life matter.
Just of you.
No, I need the content.
Overdosing?
Yeah. So he the first one, because they go write 11-11-11. The guy drank 11 once. I know they tell you story. Now the God will save the guy. They say this particular medication no be something wey go really spoil your heart or your body or your kidney. His body was able to handle it. The guy come back, they do somehow. Wetin happen? How you take your medicine? It don't finish. How you take finish? I take 11
Just of you.
this morning.
Just
So
of you.
I beg you. That is the thing where you go ask. Then the next thing where you go ask again be say, this thing where they do me, especially for those who get chronic problem, you go carry my life, you go poof me, abi you no go poof me. Because some people go come dey fear. I don't hear say if I get problem for my breast, I go hospital, they go tell na breast cancer, I go die you.
And they'll call they dodge.
They come dey dodge. Whereas wetin you get sef no relate to malignancy. Na just something totally different. That is why you no need to fear. You go ask question. I know say dey sweet. Nobody like to dey fall sick. Nobody like to dey go hospital. But at the same time, people dey where they don't train them to take care of your health. That is why when you go hospital as a father, mother, or a young man, young woman, even with your child, or you go with your parents, questions the way you must ask your doctor.
Very important.
I go come back when I go come back. If you even go further, if I no come back, anything go happen to me. You understand? As much as you want to ask, I know say hospitals they very
Scary
full,
at times.
very full. People go hospital in the morning, they go come back in the night because crowd full hospital
Not be
and
lie.
nobody won't waste time. But at the same time, it get important thing where you need to hear and ask your doctor. Not just open mouth, sit down there, they look. No, your doctor is there to interact with you and talk with you.
Okay, doctor, you don't talk plenty things. First of all, you ask them, say, make them know different questions. Make them they confident enough to ask their question. What does this
Yes.
thing mean? I don't understand them.
Yeah.
Not be crime to say you don't know.
Yeah.
You must make sure say you ask and know and understand for real. Waiting the doctor they talk about. What about those people when doctor when they say the matter on ground? They usually some doctors they use them say they take advantage because they pack medicine they give them.
That is why
partners they
that
give
is
them.
why I say you need to ask. In a society where they work, in a system where they work, for every medication you give your patients, you go explain why they give them. Even injection. If you no get any reason to put needle for person body, you're not supposed to put needle. But you know, say as Nigerians, people go tell you say, "Na injection I want, give me injection."
And I give me
but
injection.
if your sickness no reach one for injection, you're not supposed to put needle for your body. That
Okay.
is why you need to know why you they take, what you they take.
Okay, doctor don't give us different ways for us to say you stay there aware when they go hospital. The things we're supposed to sabi, and when they enter hospital, they won't go do a medical consultation.
Doctor, please, I need you to enlighten these two questions. I notice nowadays people now they prefer taking agbo drugs than going to hospital because they don't get the money to go to hospital. And sometimes too, all those our hospital, all those people they cancer, they know they treat patients well. Because most time when you go there for a case, they tell that you need to drop some money before they save the life of the innocent person. At the end of the day, the person go die. Because of the doctor not take care, you just believe or maybe and drop money before he start to take the treatment, which is totally wrong. And nowadays for Lagos, too much of bad drink don't plenty different corner, different street because of people don't get money to go to hospital. What are you going to say concerning such issue now?
Okay.
Because and the thirdly.
Hey, sisters, I know say load for you, but doctor, try take the one
Thank
if you take.
Thank you. You touch very, very, very sensitive topic because anytime you bring up talking about herbal, we'd always get this strife and reactions from the other parts.
Yeah.
So I don't want to comment anything about herbal because
May not like say the beef on
there are
traditional
many things you need to
Adomedica.
know before you start taking anything herbal. But what I go tell you say if you get problem, it's better you go see your doctor. I'll leave them at that point. And then for those who be talk say they must go to hospital and then they must treat them before money. You see, it's a very sensitive area too, and I think not be just the doctor fault. Now everybody fault. System from those who supposed to help our healthcare, they function very well. They know they do their job. So the thing they spoil every area. Now I'd always shout say it they very wise and they good. Make we take care of our health. Make we know they that position where people will come the same. You must pay first before they treat you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who did the line? Who did the line? Talk to us.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. I best speak up, mama.
Okay.
30 seconds, so 30 seconds.
I'm Stella from Lekki.
Okay, welcome.
Okay. Doctor, this one dash, they confuse somebody. If you know, say I'll give my brother to check for me. At least 11, I'll go take safe.
Wow.
I they tell you, now my brother just tell me, no, now 1 in the afternoon, 1 in the morning, 1 in the night. If you know,
Wow.
now that 11, I'll for take. I tell you, Mona help us too.
Okay.
It very well.
Okay.
And another thing,
Mm.
when I know they get all medicine, when I go write medicine to give us to go and find it.
Okay.
Mm.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Doctor not be pharmacist, shall go just
Yeah,
tell you down one
yeah,
straight.
thank you. So hospital no fit get everything. No be their fault. Hospital cannot have everything, and so it be everywhere. I know say some people right now go hospital very soon. So my word to you be say make you no fear, no panic. When there's life, there is hope. Follow your doctor talk. Ask all the questions where they your mind, and I believe say your doctor will they very willing to provide you with the answer where you need. Like I always talk, good life.
Na
sense.
sense. Doctor don't talk you know. Mercy from Oshodi drop this very sad message. Say doctors sometimes some doctors they like tell us the drug name. Now so one doctor for Ebute Meta taking my sister-in-law in the name of treating fibroids. She bleed and she contracted to death. Now later we find out say na cytotic tablet now give her to insert for a private part. See, that's why you need shows like this, so that doctor go fit dey break down this information to those of now when we say those of us, even me too.
Permit me to say this. Now, let's go further. If you ask and they no agree tell you the name of the drug,
Then you
anything,
run, no?
you have a right to stop the drug. Don't take it and move out. Go somewhere else. Go and see another doctor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, doctor.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth.